Monday Minute at Automation Direct.
The BRX PLC family now offers more communication and analog I/O options. The new serial communication modules provide 4 isolated RS-232 ports with flow control or 4 isolated RS-422 serial ports. Get an additional single-channel RS-232 with flow control or 422 port using the new Pluggable Option Modules. Universal BRX analog I/O modules utilize both current and voltage signals in the same modules and have 4 or 8 inputs, 4 or 8 outputs, or combinations of ins and outs. The BRX Universal Temperature modules accept RTD, thermocouple, or thermistor inputs in 4 and 8 channels. Combo Temperature Input Discrete Output modules provide universal temperature inputs and discrete or relay outputs. 4-channel Combo Temperature Analog modules have universal temperature inputs and universal analog outputs. In addition, the new Active Padding Module reserves memory address space for subsequent modules. The BRX PLC system is engineered and manufactured in the U.S. and backed by a 2-year warranty. Learn more by visiting AutomationDirect.com/BRX-PLCS.
Click here to see our other Monday Minute videos. Click here to see more products from Automation Direct.